Hello, everyone. So today I'm in talks with Mr. Kinar Sachdev, who is one of the jury member in our beauty pageant to be held in Hotel Umrao on 10th of April. And he is the co-founder and CEO at Nourish. He is one of the youngest patent holders in India. Kinar is an entrepreneur, speaker, and an educationist. With a master's degree in industrial and commercial biotechnology from Newcastle University and an executive program on innovation and entrepreneurship from Cambridge University, Kinner is a believer in convergence of different disciplines to achieve cutting-edge breakthroughs. His acclaimed talks on technology, innovation, convergence, and success are highly sought after. He is a brown belt in Kung Fu, a second degree Reiki practitioner, and an avid reader. My God, it's too much. Yeah, so let us talk to Kinner. Let us invite him. Hi, Kinner, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm
So
good.
good to be here.
Yeah, same here. So actually, I was reading about, or I was introducing you over here, and I'm just, how could you do all these things?
I don't think so. There's enough that I've been able to achieve or do so far. It's a constant journey. I like learning and experimenting with new things, so that just keeps the excitement building, and that's what I do. So chief
Yes, yes.
learner is also what you could call me in my company.
Right, right.
I have to learn the most, and I love doing it.
And you are so young, and still you are going ahead with everything. So that is really amazing that you're doing.
Thank you, and congratulations to you too. I mean, this seems like a brilliant event. I think much needed after the lockdown and when the spirits of the world were down, so to
Yes.
say.
Yeah.
So much needed, and I must say that I think this would give hope to so many women around the country. And in fact, this is going to be global. Am I right? I mean,
Yes.
you also have entries from
Yes, yes,
outside
yes.
India.
Yeah.
So eagerly look forward to be a part of the event and contribute to choose the best talent, from the
Yeah.
pool that we have received already.
Yes. Thank you so much. So, Kenneth, please tell me. So, like, I have heard about Nourish a lot. So, can you please tell me what Nourish is all about?
So, Nourish is a platform that enables anyone to create an online academy and quickly build their sales funnels to sell courses and content. So, the idea here is really that a lot of teachers, experts, coaches are excellent in doing what they do best, which is teaching.
Yes.
When it comes to building sales and marketing funnels or to keep their revenues rising rapidly or grow them steadily, it's not something that comes to them easily. So our platform is focused to build all tools and technologies along with the learning that they need to get there, to be able to basically build a six-figure business quickly. And it's sad to hear about a fact that almost 90% of teaching businesses or coaching businesses are distressed within the first 6 months of their starting up.
Right, right.
So the goal here is that how can we help people really make it? How can they make big brands and businesses in the online learning space, coaching space? So that's
Okay.
what Nourish is.
And I'm sure you will be helping our contestants also to build their own brand.
Absolutely. I mean, everything that I've learned through the journey of Nourish, as well as before Nourish, we used to help Fortune 50 companies to technology enterprises launch their businesses globally.
Yes.
And we would love to share what we have learned over the years about building a personal brand to building their corporate brands. And I eagerly look forward to talking to the contestants.
Yeah, so this is our motive for the contestants. So obviously, most of them are the housewives, and even if they are doing some job, they still want to create a business for themselves, and still they want to create a brand for themselves, right? So this is our motive in our Mrs. India pageant, that we want them to create their own brand. We want them to go ahead with their life. It's not only the pageant; it's about their life. So what do they do in their life? Whatever they learn in the pageant, that should be applicable in their life also. So that's what we want for our contestants. So I'm sure being having you on our board will help them to know themselves better.
Indeed, it's a great vision, and as I said earlier, I think it's something that definitely needs to be taken more seriously by other organizations as well. I think
Right.
Being a homemaker is one of the toughest jobs that anybody could take, and we
Yeah.
don't realize it. You know, being
Yes.
not at that forefront, we feel
Yeah.
that it's an easy thing, and I think they really impact lives much beyond normal people would imagine. I mean, they're building the future of children as well as taking
Right,
care of
right,
homes.
right.
I think there is, with technology, with the openness to work from home culture these days, I think there's so much that they can contribute and
Yes.
achieve for themselves. So I eagerly look forward to be a part of the panel.
Because
and,
they see,
help.
because the people, the women, they even do not know what talent do they have. They forget about themselves. So recently I got a message from one of the lady and she said कि my husband is saying तुझ में ऐसा क्या है जो तू मिसेस इंडिया में पार्टिसिपेट करेगी. And I was really shocked. I was really shocked कि ये कैसे कोई अपनी वाइफ को बोल सकता है, वो वाइफ जो उसके बच्चों की माँ है, जिसने उसके बच्चों को पाला है, एंड देन ही इज सेइंग कि तुझ में ऐसा क्या है जो तू मिसेस इंडिया में पार्टिसिपेट करेगी. सो फॉर मी, माय साइड द मैसेज इज, उसमें ऐसा सब कुछ है जो वो किसी भी चीज में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकती है. जस्ट यू हैव टू रियलाइज दैट.
Absolutely, this is a fantastic thought, and couldn't be truer. It's so true.
Yes.
We
Yeah.
have to help them realize that there's nothing that lacks, right? I mean, there are so many opportunities, and something that's not there yet
Yes.
would be learned.
Yeah.
And that's what my message is, that anything that you feel you don't know yet,
Yes.
Every master was once a disaster. You know, that's
Yeah.
the goal.
And
So that's
everybody
how
starts
people
from everybody starts from the scratch. Everyone. So no one is experienced. Even you were not experienced when you became a father, right? I'm telling about her
Absolutely.
husband, and you were not experienced when you started doing a job. So you also started learning something. So why don't you give a chance to your wife or your daughter to do something different in her life, right?
Absolutely.
So what you will be
Absolutely.
judging. So that I'm excited to know. As an educationalist, you have, I'm sure you have no background of fashion, something. Do you know anything about fashion or beauty pageants?
Interesting. This is an interesting fact. When we were consulting in our last venture, we'd helped one of the leading fashion and design school from France to come into India and establish. And
Okay.
We had called. That time there was a famous Bollywood actor, female actor by the name of Nargis Fakhri, to launch it.
Okay.
And we had worked closely for about a year plus with the brand to establish their foothold in Bangalore,
Gotcha.
in India. So it's not as if we don't know anything about it, but yeah, I mean, I think it's a domain that I'm not so accustomed to looking at or
Right.
interacting with. But I think it's fashion is basically, to me, I mean, it's a personal statement of what makes you confident.
Right.
And when it collides with what's popular in terms of what other people are also wearing, carrying, you know, that, and when it makes you confident, I think that's what you call fashion. And to me, in a contestant, it's not just fashion. I think it's also the confidence, their ability to learn,
Right.
their outlook, how optimistic it is, because I think it all starts from there. It doesn't matter it's what walk of life you are in or what walk of life you choose. If there is optimism, confidence, and an ability to improvise, and you know, there's resilience to failures, I think that's what makes a great human being, and that's what I would like to spot and appreciate the contestants for.
So you will be judging them on the basis of confidence, right?
Their outlook, positivity, confidence, you know, their presence of mind. I think it's a mix. So yes,
Yeah,
so more
actually.
on that.
So again, I would say Mrs. India is something different. Like, okay, the name is Mrs. India because Mrs. India consists of everything. Okay, for if you say the difference between Miss and Mrs., so the difference is there's a huge gap between Miss and Mrs. Mrs. goes through so many challenges in her life that
Absolutely.
makes her a superhuman already.
I agree. It is one of the toughest jobs. I mean, they're all superhumans. Is the right word. You could, in
Yes.
fact, call it Mrs. Superhuman.
Yeah.
And that could be another name, but
Yes.
so true.
Because they go through so many things, and still when people tell them कि तुझ में ऐसा क्या है, so that line is literally stuck inside me, कि तुझ में ऐसा क्या है. So I really want to give answer to that person who has said this thing, but this is I would like to change the perception of those people. So
Such a
yes.
great initiative, and I eagerly look forward to be there.
Same here.
And I invite everybody, if they could carve out time from their busy schedules. I think this is going to be a fantastic event, much needed, and I think we're going to see some fantastic talent there. So eagerly look forward to it.
Sure. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much for being here. We are very, very excited to see you. Obviously, you will be walking on the ramp for some time. So yes, we are eagerly waiting for you.
I wasn't expecting.
I
wasn't expecting that, but I am happy to do that.
No, obviously, when you will come from the stage and you will go and take your place, so you will be coming from the ramp. So yes, you will be
Sounds
a ramp
good.
walker too. Right?
Sounds good.
So yes, we would be there to welcome you, and our ladies will be there, and we are equally excited. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Pleasure.
Yeah, thanks.